Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canon printer to Wi-Fi Direct Instant Fix step by step clearly. Locate the power button on your Canon printer and ensure it is turned on. Access the printer's control panel and navigate to the setup menu. Find the wireless option and select it using the navigation buttons. Look for Wi-Fi Direct among the wireless settings. Select Wi-Fi Direct to enable the feature. Your printer will generate a Wi-Fi Direct name and a password. Take note of the Wi-Fi Direct name and password displayed on the screen. On your computer or mobile device, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Search for the Wi-Fi Direct network name provided by your printer. Select this network and enter the password when prompted. After connecting, return to the printer's control panel. Navigate to the Settings menu and find Print. Choose a test page to confirm the printer is connected correctly. Check both the printer and device for successful printing. If you encounter issues, power cycle both the printer and your device. Reconnect to the Wi-Fi Direct network and repeat the test. Your Canon printer should now be connected and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.